about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees.
Hi, hello everyone. So happy to be here. That's really so grateful, and I want to offer and deliver my gratitude to all the people that is concerned with me, and what I have decided has been doomed, and I hope everything can be going on very well, and actually that is impossible. You know that there's so many challenges, difficulties, hardness, hardship around all the environment of the world. So to amend on some definition, so you want to success, you want to achieve, you want to reach in the determination you just offered, you have to pay for, you have to sacrifice, you have to contribute, because that is not a very easy question to anyone. So no one in the whole world, just he or she want to achieve a very, very deeply determined goal that they can just do anything without any difficulties. That is impossible. So the challenge and disaster and the difficulties all around when a man just made firmly their determination so much, and just eager for chasing after, so they have to pay for not only the concentration but also the method, ability, the capability to solve the problem. So when you start or begin to do your plan and you want to be giant or bigger or more powerful, you have to notice and you have to have some consciousness. So here will be so many trial or traps or just hardness and hardship. You have to know this. Have to know this. And that is all fine. If you can cope and hold on and control and handle all the things very perfectly, that means you have the competence, you have the capability, you have the power, you have the strength that is appropriate to the occupation, whether you have obtained or you just gotten. So that is anything should be worth for celebrating. So today I still want to appreciate all my adorable ones. Thank you for your hints, and thank you for your mention, and thank you for your suggestions. I have been already on the road in a way toward my life plan, and it is very exciting every day just fulfill so many challenges. So I don't know how to say my gratitude to all the people around the world, and that is why my determination is to do something beneficial to hold the world. That is a very important issue that if you want to discuss something about me. So very thankful and very appreciative. That is all my thoughts. So tour and deliver to all the adorable ones. Thank you for your everything. I feel I'm so wretched and abated because only I can give to you all adorable ones, just all of this. But the feedback from you all just so giant and enormous. That is just the immense stars in the universe. You are so shiny and bright, and you are so brilliant and gorgeous. You are my sense, sage, mentor, and everything that why I can exist in the world. The reason why. So appreciate. Thank you for all my adorable ones. And the following days, that will be keep a very long-term time, a period of time. I will just prefer to the President Donald Trump that I want to be the balance, because the former time I just prefer the President Biden, but the polls still not very obviously different among the two sides of the candidates. On my definition, if it is true, when the President Donald Trump is in the three major trials, and the President Biden still can solve all his problems, the poll must be different among the two sides, very far away. That the President Biden must be winning, leading ahead the Trump very obviously higher and higher. But actually, when I just see the poll, it is not what I think. It is not telling what I thought. So I think that it's possible that so many people still support President Donald Trump. So even though the President Donald Trump are in the three major persecution, but so many people still support him. That means he has the reason that can be pardoned down. So, and another one reason is that he has prepared so much to the next tenure. So that is why so many people believe him. So what he has done is not only the border security, not only the financial boosting, not only the national defense stronger and stronger, but also other issue and the topic that is just be adopted by the Donald Trump's team. So that is very important. President Donald Trump has already prepared so much and well. That is the very main point, the factor and the reason why so many people support him. So I just want people can know about this. I think I will just to focus on the United States. I have changed my all professional fan pages or personal fan pages. I take up the United States and four or six. I don't remember 4 or 6 or 8. 4, 6, 8. The main characters I want to appreciate and thank for. The United States very important to be the main part. And the following characters are those I want to appreciate, and I want to just people can just share or some offer or some you want to give, or fine, I'm okay. So that is truly so grateful. So okay, today, last week we just solved the cohesion typical question. Cohesion's typical question. So we have to solve another cohesion typical question. So here, the question is just like this. We say A is real number. To solve, the following unique.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights.
Equation.
I've been shining in the sunlight.
And here is the first one. Is ax squared minus bracket 3a plus 2 x plus 6 bigger than 0, and the a is not 0, and the 2 x squared minus 2ax plus 1 bigger than 0. Okay. Okay, we solved this question. So, can you see the first one? The first thing we think about the factorizing. And you can just think about the Lutz equation. The Lutz equation, when the judgment equation is done, it have two real roots. You can use the Lutz equation, or use the judgment equation as well. So that is all fine. But you have to learn to judge and analyze every question that the equation gives you, the hint. So you see this function, you can just think about A is 1A, C is 2, 3. So that is cross multiply, that will become 3A plus 2. Can you see this? So we use the factorizing. So ax squared minus 3a plus 2 plus b bigger than 0 will equal ax minus 2 multiply x minus 3 bigger than 0. Then we have to discuss. When a smaller than 0, that is
there's a reason for my feelings.
function
I feel higher than the ceiling.
will be
All because of you. You and I were so sweet,
x minus
so
2
sweet.
of
Talk until we
a
asleep.
x
Every night I fall
minus
deep,
3.
fall deep in love. Yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees.
That will smaller than 0. Therefore, x is among 2 of a and 3. Okay. And the 2. When 2 of A is among 0 and 3, that is A bigger than 2 of 3. Here, you just need to all multiply A. You'll become
every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love.
okay. So you can see the process. You see the process. Okay, so then x will smaller than 2 of A, or x will bigger than 3. And the 3, when 2 of A is equal 3, that is A is equal 2 of 3. X is any real number.
I've been sleeping through the long night. I've been shining in the sunlight.
X not equal 3.
There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so
2 of A is bigger than 3.
Every night I fall deep,
that is A among 2 of 3 and 0. Then the X smaller than 3, or X bigger than 2 of 8. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see this? We just factorizing it. So the X will become here. X will become 3 over 2 of A. Do you know that? Here, the factorizing part, we know what is the X cover. So you can see X will be 3 and 2 of 8. Okay, so when we know that X will be 3 over 2 of 8, so we just think about one thing, how we discuss this function. So the several situation we just rank it out. One is A smaller than 0. Another is 2 of A among 3 and 0 and 3. Or 2 of A is equal 3. Or 2 of A is bigger than 3. Can you realize it? So that is what I want to say, that we use the four-way interaction to discuss. So when A is smaller than Z, that is the function will be like this. because A is negative. If A is negative, so actually the x minus the function original function will smaller than 0. So then the x is among the 2 of A and 3. That is very simple. That is very simple to understand. And the one is the 2 of A is among 3 and 0. That is mean A is bigger than 2 of 3. So when A is bigger than 2 of 3, you can see this. A is bigger than 2 of 3. X bigger than 2 of 3. Then X will smaller than 2 of A, or X will bigger than 3. Okay. So, and if it is equal 3, when 2 of A is equal 3, that means A is equal 2 of 3. X is equal 2 of 3. Then X will be any real number, just not 3. You have to delete out the 3 possible to become the answer, or that will become different. That will become a fault on this situation, on this discussion we just talked about. So when just the 2 of A, the A is equal to 2 of 3, so that X will be any real number. Just the X is not 3. Okay, so another one side is 2 of A is bigger than 3. That is A is among 2 of 3 and 0. So if it is done. So X is bigger than 3 or just small. X is smaller than 3 or just bigger than 2 of A. So these questions tell you how to discuss the content. You have to know the step and the why and the how and the tip and the way how to find the several key point number that we can discuss the range and reveal that.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long night. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep your thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute.
to discuss this situation from the a squared minus 1. You have to think one thing is the 1. Smaller than 1, bigger than 1, equal 1, equal negative 1. All ones are possible because a is squared. Because a is squared. If negative 1, square will become 1. If positive 1, square will become 1. All 1. In all 1, negative 1, positive 1, bigger than 1, smaller than 1. All have to discuss it. So if it is understood, we just do this. When the a is in the absolute value bigger than 1, the x will smaller than a minus a squared minus 1 root, or x will bigger than a plus a squared minus 1.
I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep the thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind.
Okay, so second, when a equal 1, when a equal 1, x is any real number, but x not equal 1. Okay, so 3. When a is equal negative 1, x is any real number, but x is not negative 1. So the 4 is when the absolute value a is smaller than 1. The original equation will be x minus a squared plus 1 minus a squared bigger than 0.
I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings.
Because it has to be bigger than 0. So we can say that, therefore, x is any real number. Okay, this is another similar question. I hope you can just have to practice it and be acquainted with it. Okay. Remember what I talked to you and try to run your brain and to ponder some time and to just realize how it go, how it come, and to analyze it and remember what is the meaningfulness in the whole question. Next time you encounter another typical question, you will know how to solve it. So that is why I want to just add another similar one to just share with you, that you will be more acquainted with. Okay, so this is today's video and question. Hope you can like it. So see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining.